Alright guys, so today's episode was a 5-hour challenge. It was based on doing the water pump, timing belt, tensioner, bearings, coil pack, the wires, exhaust fix, and the front links, as well as repairing the skirt kit in 5 hours. It was and is a big goal. Here's the thing, it's a 2-part video. Unfortunately, the first part of the first half, the microphone was not working, and I did not realize, so I've dubbed it over. It sucks, but halfway through the episode, it comes back in, as well as this part 2 of it will be proper. So guys, this is the 5-hour challenge 2011 Subaru Impreza, and let's see if I can accomplish that giant list of stuff. Now let's remember, timing belt, 2 bearings, tensioner, which needs to be primed. Oh, I did forget one other item, a couple other items. 2 new drive belts, the AC belt and the drive belt, the timing belt, like we mentioned, as well as a water pump, as well as ignition coil, as well as new wires, fix the skirt kit all the way around, front links. So that's a long list of stuff to do in 5 hours. Let's see if I can do it. What's up, guys? Behind me is the Subaru Impreza. It's the one we bought by accident. You can see the skirt kit's coming off. Here's all the parts we got for it. Gonna also do the exhaust fix on it. Now, today is a 5-hour challenge, and here are the parts I'm going to see if I can do in 5 hours. Now, there's a lot of jobs to do, so we'll see if we can get them done. We have the timing belt. We have the bearings. We have the tensioner for the timing belt. We have the water pump right here. The bolts so I can remove the belt. We have the new belt. Wires. That's the coil pack. This is the exhaust glue for the exhaust fix. This is the exhaust repair. These are the clamps for it. And that's all the parts. Can we do this in 5 hours? That's a big job. How are we going to do a timing belt, a water pump, all the tensioner and bearings? We're going to take the whole car apart, put the whole car back together, as well as do a coil pack and wires, as well as an exhaust fix on this. We're also going to do the front links on the car. First step, we got to take off the hose clamps on the 2 hoses from the rad, because the rad fans have to come off first. So we got this one off. Now we get this one off. Now I can remove this hose, just pull on it, kind of force it. There we go. Now I can get the fan out. I've already untaken the bolts off the fan. There's just one clip at the bottom. But this clip is done from the underside. So if I can reach in and get it, and that's not coming out. Screwdriver, get this thing out. And there we go. Now to get the bottom side of the shroud off. Unscrewed, unclipped. This side of the shroud, as well as the rad. Now I can take the fan out. There we go. That's the left fan. Now the right fan. And there we go, right fan out. So now you just gotta undo the bolts on the casing. So these are just the bolts holding on the casing to the timing belt cover. So this will expose the cam. And the last bolt. And that removes the timing belt cover. Check the oil, just out of curiosity. Oil's good. And this is what the belt looks like. It obviously needs to be replaced because it is fully cracked. So, good thing we have a new one. Let's get this all apart. So, now I'm going to take off the rest of the bolts for the cover. So Aaron has cut a pipe. We are going to do the sketchiest thing and attach that pipe to a breaker bar and turn the ignition over to see if the car starts. Basically, yeah, that's what we're going to do. Instead of using the actual Subaru tool, we're just going to do it ourselves, attaching the breaker bar to the pulley, the breaker bar to a tube that Aaron has cut, and that's it. Here's the new wires installed, new coil pack installed. Here we go, guys. We're about to do it. We're gonna go for the sketchiest thing possible. Like and subscribe, guys. Press the notification bell. I know it sounds dumb. I know everyone's tired of hearing it. We are a new channel. It does help us. It helps us so much. All right, so we're going for extra sketchy. We have the bolt, the pulley. We have the bolt with the 22. We have that. We have, you can lower the car, that'd be cool. Then it's attached to a breaker bar, which is attached to a pipe that we've made. He's gonna lower the car down, which should just lower the pipe.
That is so...
You enjoy using that?
Dude, look at that.
Whoa.
I'll give you that. That's pretty badass.
Fancy.
The red jack is quite clunky. Clunk.
All right, it seems like that's the best we're gonna get. Now we're gonna turn the car over and hope that it works. Do you want to turn the car over or do you want to watch?
No, if it's recorded, it's much safer inside.
One quick click would be appreciated. Wait, where? The key is in the ignition, no? Oh, the key is here. One. Hang on. Okay. Go. Did it work? One more click.
That sounded a lot less metal.
I think we did it.
No fucking way.
Hold this. Hold this.
No, there's no way that shit works.
No fucking way this worked. Aaron?
Touche, sir. I'm impressed. Not gonna lie.
Come
now let's see
on.
how that pulley comes off, though.
Aaron, you talk so much shit about my DIY stuff. This is impressive.
I mean, I've heard
This
of that
is
before. Look at that
impressive.
clean ass Fuji Heavy Industries bolt, and Cinematic cannot handle that. But there we go. Look at how clean that bolt is. Wow. Fuji Heavy Industries. Are we prying off the plastic? That sounds like a good idea.
But how does this come off?
It's Quebec, dude.
But I'm asking you what your opinion is.
Probably hammer and chisel on the inside of the pulley. No, that's plastic. Inside of the pulley. Inside of the pulley.
So, we got the pulley off. And now's the pulley off. Cinematic mode can't handle it. And all the bolts are off. So now's the moment of truth. Will the little panel.
Kind of feels like you missed one.
It does feel like I missed one because I missed one. Can you hold that?
I really like what you're doing to my white battery, though. That's really nice of you.
But I get better.
You guess hammer on?
Hammer on for all of them.
It's Quebec.
But
If it wasn't a plastic cover, you should be blowtorching them too. So, if any male pattern baldness sponsors want to take care of this man, that was a pretty good, as you leaned in there, you know.
Appreciate it, man.
Well, it's just you lit up the camera with bright head.
New sponsors.
So I figure,
Turkey.
you know,
If we can get any
Rogaine.
Turkish sponsors, fuck Rogaine's not gonna work, man. That shit's preventative.
Oh yeah, you should have done that a couple years back.
Yeah, we need some Turkish people to.
Oh, to replant.
Yeah.
I know a guy who went to Turkey actually and got replanted. Yeah, what is it about the hair transplants in Istanbul?
Apparently the world's best.
And I think they're priced right also, just for the record. I don't know if they're the world's best or if they're
Crazy. Oh, found another one.
hammer on end of the week. So conveniently, when you take all the bolts out, the
Parts
cover
come
comes
out.
out.
Somewhere around right here. Seems to not have... Oh, it doesn't have gasket because it's got a lip. Cool. Okay. So, can we see the timing chain in here?
Timing belt?
Timing belt,
I mean,
yes.
if you're looking for a timing chain, you're in the wrong place.
All right. So, we are changing this, and the belt. Let's get to it. Going right. Well, the mechanics are going very well, actually. It's the logistics that have gone wrong. But that's life. Okay, so the water pump is basically off. Boom. And last one. Boom. Water pump. Bolts out. So, stop cleaning. The water pump can come off, but it's still got the thermostat on it. So what I'm gonna do is take the thermostat, which is this hose right here, off while it's in there. Perfect. One bolt. Cool. So, thermostat should come off. Water pump should slide out. How does the water pump slide out, though, is the question. Oh, that's how. With one more hose on it. This hose up. And that's the water pump and thermostat
On your shoe.
on my shoes. So, got the new belt on, we have the new pulleys on, tensioner on, belt, good. Now we just gotta get the last two and the timing lined and we're good. Cool. Alright, so everything's been done, everything's been put on, everything's been torqued. Now we're gonna pull the pin for the tensioner. That piston presses on this little pin here, pushes this piston fully down, and now this is fully tense right here. That was a very annoying job. Water pump done, gaskets done, new gear done,
All new pulleys.
pulleys and bearings done, timing belt done, wires done, coil pack done,
Subaru going
engine wash done, exhaust about to happen. We are at the 4-hour mark. I still have 1 hour left, guys. Let's get this done. So, panel is back on, the pulley is back on. He is pumping up. He is tightening up the last bolt. We have these 4 to go on this last panel. The car is back together.
Well, it needs some drive belts.
And I dropped the phone. So, everything's back together. We're just doing the torque wrench on the crank pulley. The belt, you can see the air conditioning one is on the bottom, but it's obviously, we don't have the tool to stretch it, so I have to go get that. So, we are going to press pause. It is 5:18, so that gives me 42 more minutes. So we're pressing pause, and then when I get back, 42 more minutes to finish this ridiculousness.
That felt really good. Really good.
We got you. Back got you. And back in we go. They're bent. Too fuck. Those are mucho bento. Oh yeah, look at that. Fun stuff. Can he do it?
Give her a pull, man. That's the same thing again.
Do you want to do both at once, or do you want me to do with the other one?
What are you talking about?
I don't know.
I mean, how
Just
much
the
urethane
smallest amount. The
are you
smallest amount.
getting
Just
on
right
my
there.
finger? This is a terrible idea, people, just so that you know. I am completely against black urethane on a white car, even if he thinks he's removing it. Cool.
Like and subscribe, guys. Press the notification bell. I know it sounds dumb. I know everyone's tired of hearing it. We are a new channel. It does help us. It helps us so much. Good cough, good cough. So this is the tool, but we're gonna figure out how it's a tool because it's just
And that shit is aluminum.
none of them it's like a puzzle that doesn't make sense because none of the pieces fit within each other. So now Aaron's looking on Amazon to see the picture of the tool that I bought because neither of us can figure out how this thing actually works. Oh, look, here we go. Amazon. That thing goes on that thing.
Either like this or like that.
Through that. Okay, we're figuring it out.
Shorter portion of retainer goes through the underside of the pulley. Use a wrench to turn the pulley when the belt go to the normal position finished. Did you hear that?
Read that
So
again?
let me just read this
Read
one.
that again?
Step 3, which is spelled correctly. Use a wrench to turn the pulley when the belt go to the normal position finished.
I bought the highest quality tool we can get. Okay, okay, bro, you're gonna love this. I had a $20 option, or I had a $50 option. Guess which one I chose? Can you guess which one I chose?
Look like.
Can you guess which one I chose?
I'm specifically trying to ignore the question because I know which one you chose.
$20 option!
This was $20.
I thought it was a tool, bro.
Made of high quality metal.
It was a tool.
This is aluminum.
And then I opened up the package and I saw what was in it and said, what the?
It says right here, made of high quality metal. Like, okay.
Let's
Let's just test this here for a second. Okay, high quality metal,
the
right?
only item
Right.
in it is the bolt.
This one is steel.
It might hold up to the belt. What do you mean? Just try putting a belt on with it. Because then it looks so
Have
simple.
you figured out how to do this?
Step 1, install. Step 2, finish.
That's yes.
Step 3, prosper. Step 4, finish and prosper.
Yes. Collect underpants and then prosper.
Prosper. First we're going to do this, then we're going to prosper. Guess how? By prospering. All right. So we're here. We just got back with the parts. We have all the parts. We have the tool. No, we have it. We have the tool. We don't know if it is the tool. The tool looks very cheap. You've seen how cheap it looks. We have the parts though, but it's late. So instead, we still have to clean up. We still have to put everything away. So we're going to do that and then restart this in the morning, which means in the morning, I have 40 minutes left, guys. I have 40 minutes on the clock that I have not used. So in 40 minutes, I've got to finish this job, that job, that job, the under job, the side job, most of the job, all the jobs. All the jobs are almost there, but none of the jobs
are almost there.
none of the jobs are there. But all the jobs are almost there. Anyways, we'll see. Back tomorrow.